Hello there, how are you doing? Today's video actually is the announcement of what you're going to see in 15 minutes from now. Is the 7 Day 7 Eye Looks purple themed video. Everything with purple, plums, violet. This is violet, this is purple in my opinion. As you can see, this is lilac. I love the color. So, and because April is my month and the day that it will be the last day of 7 Day 7 Eye Looks, it will be my birthday. So yeah, let's have this in this moment. This is something I'm doing April 1st. This is filmed just the same day that you're watching this, and yesterday I filmed 4 of the eye looks, so it's kind of everything like this, like very on the go. So well, stay tuned. 15 minutes from now will be the first video. Did I mention it's my favorite color?